Secret PC hacks that you wish you knew earlier. This will actually blow your mind because it will actually save you a lot when it comes to PC maintenance. Look at this. Oftentimes, we don't know if we are being monitored by someone or someone is controlling our computer from another server or not. But this is a way to actually check if you are being monitored or not on your PC, on your computer. Now, this is how to go about it. First thing that you have to do is you hold down the Windows sign plus the arrow sign down, and that will come up on your PC. And when that come up on your PC, what you need to do is type 𝗕𝗓𝗦𝗚𝗧, and then click OK. When you click OK, if there is any other users that is on this PC that is managing this your PC, you just have to right click on it. Just have to right click on it and then remove the person. Okay, because I'm the only admin here, I can't remove myself, so just have to right click and remove the person. Okay, when I did this on my own computer, I discovered that there was another user, so I had to right click and delete the user and remove the user. So you could add other users, that if you don't want other people to by email address and stuff like that. So now that you have seen this video, stay tuned to other videos by actually hitting that subscription button, enable the notification bell button, and then like this video. See you in my next video. Alright.